Thank you guys for tuning in to JQ215. Do not forget to like and comment on the videos. Please, please, please share this with any and everybody out there. Take care, everyone.
Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you again for tuning in. Appreciate the support. Do not forget, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know exactly when the content is going to be hitting you. Today I am doing an unboxing of another pair of NMDs that I have, navy blue with this iridescent color to the bottom sole piece, which is pretty awesome. I love that dark navy blue color. It looks pretty amazing and pretty much goes with everything. So I'm going to be sharing that with you. So thank you again for tuning in. Do not forget, if you're interested in me unboxing a specific pair of sneakers, I know a lot of people who are in the sneaker game. I may not be purchasing every single pair. However, I know a lot of people who do collect and purchase and resell. So if you're interested in reselling or interested in purchasing from a reseller, the one guy that I work with is Mo Dinero out in Philadelphia. That man gets everything. So if you're looking for a specific pair, he has it. He'll take care of you. However, if you're looking for me to unbox different types of sneakers besides the ones that I purchased, just let me know. I can do unboxing for other people's pairs of sneakers, just in case you're interested in seeing the fine detail in a pair that you may not be able to put your hands on. So thank you again for tuning in. Today we are going to be unboxing an amazing pair of NMDs. And today I am rocking my Brian Dawkins fitted hat Philadelphia Eagles, as you can see here, in tribute of my man Kobe Bryant, who was an amazing Eagles fan, which is pretty amazing, right? I got to go to our one and only Super Bowl of this since I've been alive, and I was able to enjoy the Super Bowl out in Minneapolis. So anybody who's interested in going to the Super Bowl in Miami this year, guys, it is a great thing to go to. It's fun. Now, if your team is in it, it's even better, especially if your team wins. And that's something that our team did at Philadelphia, is we won the Super Bowl. We beat the New England Patriots, so shout out to my birds. Now, I am going to be unboxing, as you can see, a pair of NMDs. Beautiful pair of NMDs. Now, very similar to my previous NMDs. The only difference is it's a pretty cool color pattern. As you can see here, fresh pair, never been worn, very clean. I did wear them around the house because I did try them on just to see how they look. Navy blue, and I'm going to continue to do some awesome close-ups for you guys. I've actually connected my GoPro to my phone, so now I can see what I'm recording at any moment. As you can see, this is that iridescent piece I was telling you about. Nice. And what I love about it is they did the same thing with the strap here. As you can see, design, that's that feel right there. Boom. And it kind of gives you that different color feel, which is amazing. And they did it with the tongue too, which is awesome. Navy blue NMDs. As I told you guys before, I'm a huge fan of the NMD R1. I love them. They are a great design, very comfortable design, and can go with pretty much anything out there. Shorts, jeans, joggers. Shit, you can wear a bikini and throw these bad boys on. You could throw on some swimming trunks in these bad boys. Very, very good fit, nice design. That knit, which is very comfortable and stretchy. So if you're a guy like me who tends to forget to cut his toenails, then this is a sneaker for you, so it's not pushing down on your toenail right here. Amazing design. I love them, and I want you guys to understand that, you know, as I told you before, I'm not a big spender, so this is exactly what's in my budget with design, look, and feel. I said it before in my other videos. I have to love the sneaker. I have to love the sneaker. I have to like the design, and I have to love the cost. So if you're looking for a low budget, amazing design, and comfy sneaker, this is what you're looking for right here. Same thing as I told you guys before, that knit technology. And as you can see here, navy blue, very clean design. They're very consistent when you make this sneaker, very consistent. And I'll throw these ones out there too, so I have both the right and the left. For those of you guys out there thinking that I'm going into sneaker stores just still on one side. Oh man, amazing design. I'm so excited to share these with you guys. Once again, I love the detail in the design, as you can see here. And big shout out to my friend Nugs of Knowledge, Genesis. She is doing something amazing with myth busting and sharing some great knowledge, educational stuff about cannabis. So definitely hit her up. She's on Instagram. She'll be pushing out YouTube soon. But if you're interested, she's getting started. Be one of the first to follow, and you'll be part of the movement. So guys, these are my Navy Blue Player NMDs. Very excited, as I told you guys before. I love the design, the Ultra Boost design. Very clean cut sneaker. I cannot wait. I wish, honestly, with this blue right here, if they would have launched an NMD that was another Star Wars collaboration. I don't know why they're not doing anymore, because that was by far my favorite sneaker. I rock my Darth Vaders and my Yodas every day. I love the Star Wars sneakers. I know they came out with another pair that was for Princess Leia. However, I don't know if they're the R1 design. I love the R1. But shit, if there's a pair of Toys R Us sneakers or Walmart sneakers that have Star Wars on them, shit, I'll unbox those too, just because I love Star Wars. And hopefully, you know, I'm thinking about finding a way to do either an extension of what I have going on with my tattoos for, you know, Disney and Marvel, or switch it up to all of Star Wars, which I cannot wait to get to. So one day you'll be able to see that too. I'll probably post that live. You'll see me squirming getting tattoos. But this is your navy blue pair of NMDs. I'm looking to purchase another pair soon, and as soon as I purchase, I will be getting in contact with you guys via YouTube, via Instagram, via Facebook, via Twitter, via Snapchat, via TikTok. Guys, I'm always on those social media sites, including Mixer. Sometimes I'm on games there. So if you play Call of Duty, if you play Apex Legends, I am on Mixer as well, and I will be broadcasting more games. So lately I've been kind of taking a break from my nighttime gaming because I am on night shift with my son, my newborn baby, and it's been a little tough. So I choose to coddle him and put him to sleep before I choose to game, and sometimes he's up all night, so I'm not able to get on Mixer. However, I will be getting on soon, so thank you guys. Once again, thank you for tuning in. This is another amazing unboxing of the Adidas NMD R1 in navy blue. And as I normally do, I will be showing you guys the way they look on my feet. So here we go. I'm gonna break out a design right quick. Pull these out, get some room out here. Throw these bad boys on and show you guys how they look on my feet. Excuse the mismatching socks, guys, because as you can see here, very cool design, very comfortable. And shout out to my man again, Kobe Bryant, because he was one of the first guys. I don't know if you ever saw I call them spaceship sneakers. Kobe originally got with Adidas back in the days. This was early on. And when he got with Adidas, he just had the ugliest sneaker out. However, they were a pair of Kobe, so I did cop a pair myself. But he was one of the first athletes during that era, because, you know, everything was Nike and Jordan, right? Nothing was really, you know, pushing Adidas. So he was one of the first athletes out there before he started doing his Nike Kobe's. But shout out to him as well. Thank you guys, and please tune in. I will be posting another video. This video is going to be more heartfelt, from the heart, about the Black Mamba and the Mamba mentality and things of that nature, including my life experiences I've told you guys before. Thank you guys for tuning in again. This is an unboxing from my Adidas NMD R1 navy blue and iridescent. I love the color scheme. Stay tuned. You'll have some more unboxings coming near you, including I have a huge video. It's probably about an hour and a half. Just conversation, unboxing, and building my baby's chest of drawers. and that will be edited and out there to you guys soon. So stay tuned. You'll see that coming to you. Thank you guys for tuning in. Do not forget, like, share, repost, and comment on the videos to let me know what you're thinking so I can continue to produce sharp and good content for you guys. Thank you for the JQ215 community, and don't forget to stop by my YouTube page and check out the new look.